Right away.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
It's something to get people's heads. It's called stand-up paddleboarding, but that's not the objective. The objective is to choose the right stance at the right time.
Okay.
So whitewater, really about managing your height and that. Better to be on it than off it.
This is where I go in. So we want the feet.
So set both feet, yeah.
Either side.
Handle. Let them look where you want to go. And then now you put your hand on the paddle and you just paddle. Paddling is your friend up here. Like having a third leg on a tripod without it.
Yeah.
All over.
He's gonna drown her. It's good, yeah. It's just the opposite to kayaking, because kayaking you kind of steer from the back. Yeah. But that's good. Biting the water.
You are a moron. We don't tick off it. Just upward and move both hands with it.
Oh, okay. So to keep these flat, there's like strings inside, aren't there?
Yeah, so when they flop over, you'll see there's lots of holes. So especially being whitewater boards, they've got double the amount.
Right.
Literally is between each dot, there's like 5 to 10 strands of like just cotton.
Yeah.
Up and down, just drop stitching.
Yeah. So when it overheats, then it goes
The glue lets go.
and ends up looking like a killer whale.
Fucking hilarious.
Now, I've seen a few pictures of.
All you've got to do is just release the valve for like 2 seconds.
Okay, we're good. Ah! No! It was fun.
All a bit wonky donkey wobbly. So yeah, when you're getting into something like that, just paddle hard on one side and it will drive you across. You spend time swapping, that's time you've missed out paddling.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's all very think fast, isn't it?
yeah. So all we're going to do is try and go from one side to the other.
Right, so
We're going to end up going across to the one slightly lower,
okay.
and then use one below us to squeak of water, and then we'll work our way up rather than getting twatted around by faster water and be like,
Okay.
what's going on? So, big thing to think about is angle to the flow.
Yeah.
So we always think of upstream where the water's coming from is 12 o'clock,
Yeah.
and how we angle from there. So if I'm going across that way, whether I'm going to point at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's maintaining that angle, isn't it? It's really hard.
Yeah, so I'll show you how I do it.
Yeah. Ah!